Hello guys, so welcome back to the EDA series in Pandas. So in the previous video we installed the Pandas and the Jupyter libraries in our Anaconda prompt. So in this video we are going just to do just the first step basic level, which will be loading the data set. So and it's basically simple. So what we are going to do so that we can launch the Jupyter notebook. On the path where you just installed the Pandas and the Jupyter, or basically you can change your Anaconda prompt basic or the default path to a path where your folder to a folder where you are going to store your work. So then when you change the folder, you just use the CD, or if you're using the Windows, then you can paste the path after the change directory. So then you can click enter. Then after that you can type in Jupyter notebook. This is going to launch the Jupyter notebook to your default browser that you are using in your computer. So you just need to give it a minute or two, then it's going to launch the Jupyter notebook. So the other thing, as we wait for the Jupyter notebook to load, we need the dataset. So the dataset that I'm going to use is the online shop customer sales data. Basically, if you are following on this, and you basically you need this data, you can just get this data from Cargo website. So come to your browser, type online shop customer sales data, then you search. You can see it's the first link in your search results. Then you are going to click. Then when you are loaded into the Cargo website, then you can click on download. You can see just a 1 MB sized data set. Then you can click on download. And when you do that, now we can go back to our launched notebook. You can see the path where I had stored my data set was the path that I had set on the Anaconda. So when you open the browser, because the Jupyter notebook is going to be launched in your default browser, you can see the dataset that we are going to use. So if you have downloaded the dataset, you can copy it to the path where you opened the Jupyter notebook, because we need that dataset. So then you can come here on the notebook, click new, then Python 3, depending on the Python version you are using. So that we are going to click a new you are going to create a new notebook. Then when the notebook is fully loaded, you can come here and save it, rename it to EDA, then click enter. So what we are going to do here in our cells, we are going to import the pandas, because it's the library that we are going to load the dataset with. So we are going to import pandas alias as PD. So we are going now to open another cell using pandas. We are going to read the pandas PD. We are going to use the read_csv, and we are going to read the dataset. Then so we are going to paste the dataset name. So there you have it, .csv, like that. Then we are going to just read the data frame like that. So let's run the sets. So run sets, run all. Yeah, it is as simple as that. And basically the way you are getting here, df is not defined, is because when you read the file, you are going to store that file or the dataset. So rerun that and come and run this one here. So you can see the data frame or the data itself. This is just a variable that is going to store the file as a Pandas data frame. You can see when you print the data frame, it's going to print the first 5 rows and the last 5 rows of the data set. And this is the data set that we are going to use in our series of exploratory data analysis in Pandas. And that's all for this video. See you in the next video where you are going to familiarize ourselves with the data set. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.